Well, I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that one. Well, I gotta fix that. Let's go ahead and give this one more spin here. Let's go ahead and give it another try, dude. Just keep trying. Just keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. If this doesn't work, I am going to deprecate this B. Peace. Um, all right, so I'm just gonna change this back to outline here. Books are flying, dude. Big liquidation on ETH. So let's go to outline here, timeline here. Timeline. I'm gonna go back to 1 month ago. Compare, show, restore contents. Okay, sick, dude. So we got that back to the OG. I'm gonna go alert my team here because the video watcher is down. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, doo doo. Thank you very much for bringing this to my attention. I did some debugging and it looks like that YouTube changed some things when it comes to transcripts. So for now, I have made this channel private and I'll keep working on it. And once I get it working again, then I will make it available to everybody. Essentially, I removed the access for everybody in the boot camp. You might still have access, but everybody else doesn't. Thank you for alerting me. Okay, so I'm gonna say that real quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and BRB. Look, dude, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this exact trading bot framework, and I'm not gonna just tell you about it. I'm gonna let you steal it. I'm gonna help you master it. In this 3 day trade bot challenge, if you're a crypto trader who's ambitious, committed, and persistent, and you typically are good at what you do, but you're just not having the results that you know you deserve in trading, here's a question for you. How would it feel if you could have a trading bot that traded for you for the rest of your life without you having to log onto your computer each day and stare at the screen? You see, I'm just a regular dude just like you, but for the last few years, I've been using trading bots to manage my entire portfolio while others they struggled at controlling their emotions, staring at the charts all day. When you meet me in this 3 day trade bot challenge, I'm going to give you my exact framework. We've all seen the endless ads, the cliches, the kids in the rented Lambos telling you how to trade. This is not that, dude. This is a proven trading bot framework backed by real data and thousands of hours of research into automated trading systems. And I put this system to the test with my own money and my own swarm of trading bots and hundreds of others I've transferred this knowledge to, and I want to transfer this knowledge to you now. While I can't give you a plug and play, set it and forget, make $1 million overnight, I actually put my money where my mouth is, and I use this exact framework that I'll be teaching you over the next 3 days. But look, you've seen the trading bots in the market. You've heard of successful algo traders, and you hear of quants that become wildly successful and they make crazy money. So you know it's possible to automate your trading. And you're watching this video right now, so I know you're smart. Because searching for a better, more efficient way to trade, that's just something smart people do. And because you're smart, you also know there's a little something extra. You know there's a little piece of magic mixed into all of this. Now I know what it feels like not just to not make money trading, but to lose a ungodly amount due to emotions and just our bad human judgment. Everything else in life, I could just work harder at and I could get better results. But for trading, I could never get over the emotions. The times where I'd be up all night just staring at the chart just to wake up in the middle of the night liquidated. When you know you're ambitious, you know you're extremely persistent, but you just can't figure out the game of trading, and to feel like I'll never give up, but I'll keep losing. Look, I get it, dude. It's normal for manual traders to lose. Remember, 95% of traders lose money. I want to take you from that feeling of losing due to emotions to becoming a dominant force in the crypto market. I want to help you automate your trading strategies for the rest of your life. You'll be able to build any trading bot that you could ever imagine. And if you're willing to step up, challenge yourself, and take me up on this 3-day challenge, it's just 3 days. I will help you automate your trading. And we'll do it in just 3 days. So here's the big secret. It only takes 3 things to be incredibly successful as an automated trader from home. You build a list of great trading ideas. You test those ideas to see if they worked in the past. And then if they worked in the past, you run those ideas or strategies with tiny size in trading bots. If you could do all 3 of those things, it's pretty hard not to make money. In fact, I've never seen anyone with great trading ideas who tested them constantly and deployed them with tiny size. I've never seen them not have success with algo trading. I just haven't seen it, dude. And here's another truth for you. One good trading bot can wipe out all bad financial decisions you've made in your entire life. And I know this because it happened to me. When you combine these 3 different elements, success isn't only possible, it's repeatable. This is my RBI framework that I'll be teaching over the next 3 days. It comes down to researching, back testing, and then implementing into bots. And when you make the right decision and decide to meet me in this 3-day trade bot challenge, I'll show you exactly how to automate your trading strategy. And if you don't have one, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to get hundreds of strategies. We have plenty of them written by PhDs and more. And I'll show you how to automate your trading right now. And I'm talking now, not like a year from now, but right now. If you don't know how to code, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to code. I did not know how to code either. Listen, I had one bot do over 200K for me, and I don't have some huge team or big unfair advantage. I'm standing here in a bedroom with a whiteboard behind me. I don't have employees. I don't have investors. I have no long-term obligations. I'm free as a bird. But I also don't have a Lambo or some fancy New York City office or a Miami office. I have a simple life. All I do is I code here live with you and I show you everything I build. Just me, you, and the computer and the whiteboard behind me. So here's a quick story that I don't necessarily love to tell because it's a little embarrassing. But when I first got interested in automating my trading, I knew I had to learn how to code. And I was always super scared of learning how to code because I thought it was just for the brainiacs out there. But I knew in order to automate my trading, I would have to iterate to success. It would just be too expensive to hire a developer to like test, tweak, Anyways, I locked in for like 2 to 4 hours every day until I learned how to code, and I built my first bot. And then I put $10,000 of my hard-earned money into that bot, and I proceeded to lose every single dollar of it over the next 30 days. Yeah, so I lost 10 G's. No wonder I was losing money as a hand trader. I was trading a strategy, a broken strategy that a bot couldn't even figure out. But that day, I developed my RBI framework, which I'll be showing you in this 3-day challenge, to ensure that I only run profitable trading strategies. My RBI framework is research strategies, then backtest those strategies to see if they worked in the past. And if they work in the past, then implement them with small size into a trading bot. Hey, I'm Moondev, and that day I developed a passion for trading bots and showing the RBI framework that I uncovered. Duh, you have to test your bots to see if they work in the past before you go ahead and throw 10K at them. If you can constantly research new trading ideas, then backtest those ideas to see if they worked in the past, and then take those that worked in the past and implement them into tiny bots. If you do that, you can't help but become a profitable algo trader. I'm just an independent trader from my bedroom who figured out a better approach to the market. And I believe code is a great equalizer. If you know how to code, you can build cash flow for generations, for the rest of your life. So the way I looked at automating my trading was this. I could learn all of this coding stuff. And best case scenario, obviously I'd have a bot that trades for me forever. But worst case scenario, I could just use my new coding knowledge and go get a job for 100K plus. That's a solid risk reward. And I know you're looking at your risk reward because you're a trader. Look, I know there's a lot of scammers out there. I want you to look me up. Google me, look on Trustpilot, type in Moondev, Algo Trade Camp. Look me up. You can see everything I'm saying is true. I have videos of every single piece of code I've ever written, all on YouTube. And that one that made me hundreds of $1,000s, that's on YouTube as well, dude. But just because it worked for me does not mean it's going to automatically just work for you. There's no plug and play. The number one rule of automated trading is never run someone else's bot. You have to understand what that bot does. Just like I got wrecked 10K on my first bot, how would you possibly know what somebody else's bot does? If there's like a plug and play bot out there, just run away. No one will ever give you a profitable trading bot. That's the number one way to spot a scam. If it's a plug and play bot, you know you're about to lose all your money. You see, I'm not the type of guy that's going to hype something up. I just try to transparently build what I think will make me money. Seriously, if you're skeptical at all, I have over 1,300 hours of YouTube tutorials. You can go watch my YouTube forever. Get to know me. Come back, make a decision. I've even hosted some of the best quants in the entire world, like Christina Shi. She traded upwards of $7.1 billion per day. That's billion with a B. And Dr. Ernest Chan, I've had a great conversation that you can go watch on YouTube right now. He's one of the best algo traders of all time. You know Jim Simons? Rest in peace. Well, who's next? Ernest Chan. And I've been able to learn from him. I've even had the pleasure of interviewing some unnamed Renaissance employees to talk about strategy that Jim Simons and Renaissance actually used. And I'm not telling you all of this just to brag, but I'm telling you this because I want you to take it seriously, because it could change your life. It's changed mine. Think about it. Who's one of the best traders of all time? Yeah, Jim Simons. He was the founder of Renaissance Technologies. What did Jim Simons do to trade better than anyone else? Yeah, he built trading bots that traded fully automatically. Even today, who's making all of the money on Wall Street? Yeah, the trading bot firms, dude. Google it. Google top trading firms. Who's going to show up? It's going to be like 2 Sigma, Jane Street, AQR, D. Shaw, Renaissance, all algorithmic traders. Jim Simons died with a net worth of $31.5 billion. That's billion dollars, dude. All from automated trading. Because Jim was smart enough to realize that there are patterns in the market that robots could trade and humans cannot. So he essentially executed his own RBI framework for years on end. And that's what I'm going to be showing you in this 3-day challenge. He once said, in a business like this, you have to just keep making things better and better and better. Essentially, always researching new strategies, then backtesting to see if those strategies worked in the past, and then implementing the winners into small bots. Jim executed his system of testing and deploying for years on end until he was hyper profitable. Look, Jim didn't just become a multi-billionaire. He changed bloodlines and created generational wealth for himself, of course, but also employees and investors. He returned over $100 billion in profits from 1988 to 2018. And he was able to give away $4 billion to charities. How cool is that? Imagine if you could have just a fraction of that impact. The sad truth is most people don't actually want to make money trading. They just kind of want to gamble. So if you're committed to automating your trading, then it's an absolute travesty if you do not embrace these principles that I will be teaching you. So your trading can be as good as you know as it should be without the human emotional intervention. Now on this page, you'll see exactly what is covered in the 3-day TradeBot challenge. If you think it is stuff that will help you automate your trading, then grab your ticket now. And at the risk of sounding bold, and I genuinely mean this, I think my stuff is the best. Not because of how much money I've made from my bots, but because there are plenty of people out there who have made a lot more money than I have. But more importantly, I don't think many people really want to share this stuff. And I believe I explain everything in the most simple manner so you can actually automate your trading as a regular person. I don't care how rich the gurus are. They make trading way too complicated and no one shows how to automate it. My goal is to make automated trading as simple as possible so you can do it right now. So my advice is to grab a general admission or a VIP seat to the TradeBot challenge. And I highly recommend you grab a VIP ticket because they get all of the recordings. And not only that, you get personal coaching as a VIP. You get to ask me questions throughout the 3-day event. Something that would cost 20 G's if you were trying to do one-on-one. But as a VIP, you could ask any question that you have, and I just consult for you for the 3 days of this event. So definitely think about that. Plus, they have access to all of the recordings. So the VIPs will get a lot more than the regular tickets. But either way, make sure you join today if you do want to automate your trading. Do not miss this opportunity. And I highly recommend the VIP. But here's the deal, dude. You can join the masses and keep trading by hand, looking for signals and investing in these cheap little solutions. Or you can invest in something that actually works. You see hundreds of people on this page that have gone through this and learned how to automate their trading. It's absolutely insane. So if you're interested in automating your trading, then grab your spot in the challenge right now. And trust me, you'll want to get the VIP experience. That's where we really roll up our sleeves and make the magic happen. Step up and start the challenge today. To ensure you have absolutely zero risk, I've implemented a cosmic level guarantee. Listen to this. You don't even have to say yes today, because I have this 90-day, no questions asked cosmic guarantee, meaning you can just say maybe right now, sign up, watch the entire 3-day challenge. And if you feel like it wasn't worth it for any means, all you have to do is say, hey, Moondev, I want my money back. No questions asked. You get your money back over the next 90 days. That's a 90-day cosmic guarantee. So you get to automate your trading. And hey, if it's not for you, it's not for you. Get